I'm Rosie and welcome to my channel. This workout is a dance fitness workout routine. We're gonna take it old school. We're gonna have fun, it's upbeat. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start stepping it out, pushing this arm back. Here we go. Take a slow step, quick and quick. Switch sides. Push that booty out. Use the resistance of that arm. Okay, here we go. We're gonna step it out. Double, single, single, double. 2 steps, jump, 2 steps, in, out, in. Step it out. Back to our jump. Step, step. Squat it out. Lift the knee. Engage that core. Kick it out. Knee, booty back. Okay, we're gonna push it back. 2 more. Split lunge. Split. Jump. Jump. Push it back. Really step it out. Back to our steps. Step and jump. Jump. Strong arms. Step, step, jump. Back to our squats. Down, knee. Kick. Knee. Booty back. Push it out. 2 more. Split, squat. Push it out. Jump, get that knee back. Here we're gonna take small jumps, hold it double, single, single, double. Hit and hit. Step it out. Let that elbow lead. Jump, get low. With our knees, you jump. And hit. Back to our squats. Engage that core. Pull it in. Keep it here. Knees, knees, kick. Back to our core. We're gonna push it out. Really step it out. Push, push. Say again. Push, push, push. Split lunge. Push. Again. Get this knee low. Jump, jump down. Down, down. 5. Push. Push. You got it. Keep going. Really work them arms. Get low. Whew. Thanks for choosing to dance with me today. I hope you had a fun workout and you built up a good sweat. Subscribe to my channel for more workouts. I have tons of dance fitness workouts and also sculpting and toning workouts too, from 20 minutes to short blast workouts. Subscribe, drop me a comment and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next workout.